What's good, YouTube? It's your boy YallLoveKae, man, and we about to go over today's trades. Okay, today, New York session, NASDAQ, we traded. First things first, I'm kind of zoning here, guys. I got a lot of zones, key areas, support, resistance lines that, I'm taking break and retests off through the week. So that's what I've been doing currently. But first things first, on my smaller account, always first strategy I ever learned, mine was breakout strategy. So came here. You guys want to mark, support. Support. This is all on a 5-minute too for this specific strategy. Support, resistance. If price broke above here, I would have looked for buys. Even though price is bearish, I would have still looked for buys, but more confident on the bears here. So I would have waited. I waited, as you can see. Price broke here. You enter, stop loss 30 pips. 25 pips to 30 pips. I like 30. And then you hold at least to 1 to 2. Very simple. 1 to 1, 1 to 2. Get in, get some quick money, get some quick leverage for your next trade. That's what I do. Or you can just get out after this. You don't have to trade after this. You can just take that breakout and you can be done. That's that strategy. Okay. So the breakout strategy, opening range breakout strategy, that's a good strategy. Once price opens, when this volume kicks off, price always kicks off in one direction. So let's watch it. All right, next thing you know, I waited a little bit. Wanted to be a little patient now. We caught here. I saw price reacted to this. Got a good bounce off of here. For me to even hop into this trade, I would have had to seen a break, retest, and go back down. But it didn't happen, so I waited, and we finally had a shift of structure right here, the first shift of structure. But I'm like, oh, okay, but this could just be retested here. So I'm like, I don't want to get in there. If I get in right here, like I'm holding. That's only what, like a 1-to-1. I'm not going for that. I'm not scalping. I'm going for a long trade. So I'm like, okay, I'll wait for it to break here. Retest here, then we'll kind of get this head, shoulder, shoulder pattern. So I'll be even more confident. Then we got a break and retest with the retest of a bullish engulfing candle. Once I saw this bullish engulfing candle, that's where I placed I placed the trade. I said, what was I gonna say? I placed my stop loss right below these wicks right here. It was a 45 pip stop loss, not bad. And then my target really was like up here, these highs, but I don't get greedy. Once I see price rejecting one of these zones, pretty good, as you can see right here. Had a lot of rejections. Volume kind of seemed to died out. So if this had a lot of momentum going into it, I would have kind of held it. But once I saw momentum getting weak, I saw we got these pin bar candles and things like that. That was show rejection. So I'm like, no, I'll get out this. Price maybe want to start heading down. Maybe this was just a retest of this zone. As you can see, before we were at like extremely bearish. So I'm like, maybe this is just a retest. Price gonna come up, continue down, back down, make newer lows. But it continued up. But I'm happy with what I made. $1,700 trade, very easy. You guys, keep it that simple. You guys, I'm telling you, you'll win. You'll win, guys. Keep it that simple, bro. Price just came early in the morning. Liquidity grabbed all the way down here, came back up. That was that. And you just react, guys. You guys don't know it. Don't try to say I know where price is going. I never say that. I say, okay, I'm just gonna react. If price came here, reject it. Came here. I got a bearish engulfing candle. Okay, I would have came down here, took sales to right here. Price broke up here. Okay, wait for a retest. Go in. You guys have good risk management. Don't over leverage. Hold your trades out. Have a good risk to reward, guys, and it's that simple, and you'll be fine. Anyways, though, like, comment, subscribe if you're new. Like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed, bro. And yeah, any other questions or concerns, just give me a call. Wait, hey, why am I acting like I'm on a business call? Sorry, though. I'm just turning professional. Can't mind it. This is what I asked for, right? But yeah, you guys, that was today's trade, guys. Very simple, guys. And trust me, you'll pass all your funded accounts with that. Peace out. Hey.